I build this. I build this Lego girls. And what's the dog? And here I am the dog. And this is a bag inside. And the leaf. Where? The leaf. And the leaf. Welcome back to hi guys, welcome back to my channel from Tracey. It's me, Dustin, from Tracey Reyes channel. So I build this. Yeah, I build this a Lego, the back and side, and the leaf. What's the leaf? Wait, the leaf. Living is real. Hearing. Oops. And back and back side, back side, back and back side, back side, and back side, back side. Here and hearing a back, yeah, back. There and the back and side. If this is a back, and there and the back. So guys, this is a super duper beautiful my Lego, and a little LL, a doggy. I have a white. I'm gonna eat this. The leg. And here. This is so magical. So this is so magical house with doggy.
Oh, si John nag-friend yan?
Yes, so
Ibig sabihin niya, makatapos sila mag-ride sa UD na sasabihin mo,
So guys, let's go for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you bye next time. Bye. More like video from Dustin's channel and Tracey Reyes. So bye.